Let's go across to Tanushka as well. And over 20 people were injured in that blast yesterday evening. Tanushka, you're outside the LNJP hospital. What is the latest you can share with us?
Precisely, yes. I'm right now outside the Maulana Azad mortuary present here, wherein bodies have been identified of those deceased, and some families are still here trying to identify and take the bodies of their loved ones back home. We do understand that 9 people have died, and these bodies have been were kept in this mortuary right here, and 6 bodies have been identified. Mohsin, a resident of Meerut, and Ashok Kumar and Lokesh Gupta, residents of Amroha, Dinesh Kumar Mishra from Shavasti, and Pankaj Saini from Kanjwala, and Noman from Shamli. We also know that, we also spoke to the families, bereaved families of the deceased here. Pankaj Saini's father I spoke to, and he was obviously, in no state to talk about this. Pankaj Saini was a cab driver based in Delhi, and he had just finished his ride at Chandni Chowk, dropped off a passenger, wherein, he's right beside the I-20 car that blew up. So we spoke to Pankaj Saini's kin as well, and their family members said that he was the sole earner of their family. So definitely dire times for this family as well. Even Noman, when we spoke to Noman's family, Noman used to run a cosmetic shop, and he had come to Chandni Chowk to get to buy some cosmetic goods. What we also understand that Noman was only 22 years old, and he was again, one of the major earning members of his family, and very, sad state of affairs here at LNJP hospital and the mortuary present here. Definitely, such sort of incident is not as much of the material or the devastation of the blast, is really in terms of the loss of lives of people. That is what matters the most. And what we've also been given to understand is that the Delhi Health Minister, Pankaj Singh, has been present at the LNJP hospital, meeting the families of the injured as well. Back to you.